The skies over Sicily turned a deep gray on the 1st of January 2026. Mount Etna, an ancient giant that had lain dormant for months, finally unleashed its fury. A low rumbling sound sounded like the roar of a giant creature from the bowels of the earth, shaking the ground and penetrating human bones. This was no ordinary eruption, it was a warning. A column of volcanic ash rose high, piercing the clouds and swallowing the sunlight. Daytime suddenly felt like eternal twilight. Fine ash fell silently, animating houses, streets, and fields like the snow of death. The air became heavy to breathe, as if every breath carried an invisible threat. Engines stopped, visibility disappeared, and the modern world suddenly came to a standstill before a force of nature that defied human technology. Mount Etna, for millennia considered both guardian and destroyer, once again reminded us that it was never truly tame. Deep within its crater, the pressure of smoldering magma found its way out. Seismic tremors intensified before dawn, signs ignored by those accustomed to living in its shadow. When an eruption occurs, there's no time for hesitation, only for survival. Airports are closed, flights are canceled, and warning sirens wail throughout the airspace. Wind-borne volcanic ash spreads widely, threatening aviation and human health. Every tiny particle carries a potential hazard, damaging engines, polluting the air, and transforming the environment in a matter of hours. Night falls more quickly, not because the sun has set, but because the sky is covered in hot dust from deep within the earth. The most frightening thing is not the sound of the explosion or the darkness of the sky, but the realization that this eruption could continue. The unknown is unpredictable. Today's eruption could be a harbinger of greater destruction. The mountain stood still after its initial eruption, like a creature catching its breath, waiting for the next moment to strike. For locals, this is more than a natural disaster. It is a reminder of the fragility of human life. In the face of Europe's oldest and most dangerous volcano, humans are merely temporary visitors. The eruption of 202-50101 will be remembered as the day nature regained control and the world was forced to uncover ancient fears buried beneath the surface. Mount Etna is not finished, and that is the most terrifying thing. Mount Etna, located on the Italian island of Sicily, has once again demonstrated its power as one of the world's most active volcanoes. Its latest eruption, captured on satellite imagery, presents a terrifying yet awe-inspiring sight. From space, Etna looks like a giant awakening from a long slumber, spewing incandescent lava, volcanic ash, and hot gases that wreak havoc on the surrounding area. High-resolution satellite imagery shows a fiery red lava flow rushing down the mountain slopes, tearing through the dark Sicilian landscape like a river of fire. Thick ash clouds rise high into the atmosphere, forming massive columns visible from hundreds of kilometers away. From a space vantage point, the contrast between the hot lava and the surrounding land creates a dramatic and tense scene, as if the Earth's surface is cracking. Etna's eruption is not only a stunning natural phenomenon, but also poses a real threat to nearby residents. The widespread volcanic ash can disrupt flights, pollute the air, and damage agricultural land. Some towns at the volcano's foothills are often covered in a thin layer of ash, forcing residents to clear roofs and streets so that daily activities can return to normal. Scientists use satellite imagery to continuously monitor Mount Etna's activity. This technology allows them to detect temperature changes, lava movements, and increased crater activity more quickly and accurately. This data is crucial for providing early warnings and reducing the risk of disasters for communities.